going to show you how to use CJ Dropshipping with Shopify. Before I begin with this video, I can offer Shopify your first month for only $1, so you don't have to pay $37 your first month. If you want that, click the link in the description. So what you want to do is go to apps, add apps, and pretty much you might see CJ Dropshipping as a first option here, but if you don't see, just click on Shopify App Store so that it opens the entire thing, and then just type in CJ. It's going to be the first one. You would just click on it, then you would click on install, and then let's just follow the on-screen instructions to install it. So press install, a few moments depending on how fast everything is. Log in and authorize, and here you have to create a separate account, so you can't use the Shopify one, you have to create a separate account. So once you create a separate account, you will see you just have to go to the settings at the bottom left. I can do here, but what interests you is the open app one, which basically opens the app so you can use it.